Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the medical officer exam. First, thoroughly understand the exam structure and content. This includes knowing the number of questions, the time limit, and the specific subjects covered. Next, develop a comprehensive study plan. Allocate dedicated time for each subject, ensuring you cover all essential topics. Finally, collect all your study resources, such as standard textbooks, review guides, and question banks, to ensure you have everything you need. To master the core subjects, begin by reinforcing your understanding of foundational medical sciences. This includes areas like anatomy, physiology, and pathology, which form the bedrock of medical knowledge. Then, systematically review clinical subjects such as internal medicine, pediatrics, and surgery. Don't forget to dedicate significant time to pharmacology, understanding drug mechanisms and dosages, and public health principles, which are often crucial components of the exam. Practice is absolutely key for success. Regularly engage with a wide variety of multiple-choice questions to familiarize yourself with the exam style and question types. Aim to complete at least 100 questions daily during your peak study period. Crucially, simulate actual exam conditions by taking full-length mock tests. This helps with time management and reduces anxiety. After each practice session, thoroughly review your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to understand your weaknesses. As you approach the exam, focus on consolidating all the material you've learned. Utilize active recall methods, like flashcards or self-quizzing, to reinforce your memory. Equally important is prioritizing your well-being. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night and maintain a balanced diet. On exam day, stay calm and confident, trust in your preparation. A clear mind will help you perform at your absolute best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.